So you're curious about how actors work in Swift, but you don't have a lot of time? In just a few minutes, I'll show you everything you need to understand this powerful feature of Swift. Let's start with this class that implements a simple cache of images. As long as all our call sites are happening on a single thread of execution, everything is working fine. But let's try and introduce a bit of concurrency. Our image cache is now vulnerable to data races because it's very likely that both tasks will attempt to mutate its internal dictionary at the same time. So how can we protect against such data races? The typical solution used to be the following. First, create a serial execution queue. Then, synchronize all read and write accesses to the internal state through this serial queue. This approach works, but at the price of added complexity at the call sites, because reading data now has to be done through a completion handler. And this is when actors come into play. Let's go back to our image cache and remove all the code we've added to manually synchronize the access to the internal state. And now let's replace the keyword class by the keyword actor. Thanks to this simple change, all method calls will now be automatically synchronized so that they are executed one at a time, just like when we were using an explicit execution queue. As an added bonus, the call size have also become simpler, the completion handler is gone, and we only need to use await when calling a method from our actor. And that's it, we've covered the basics of how actors work in Swift. Thanks to this keyword, we are able to easily make a type thread safe by ensuring all methods and property calls happen one at a time. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next one. Thank you for watching and see you next time.